So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. You want to tick the box, I accept, and then click on next. We don't need the Bing bar, so you can untick this, and then click on next. It's now going to start initializing. Wait for this to load. And now once that loads up, you want to click on next. It's now going to start downloading components. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been installed, you want to click on finish. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.